Hey, and welcome back to another video, guys. This is Nioka, and today we'll be making oxtail, Jamaican's favorite meal, favorite one-off. Let me say one of Jamaican's favorite meat to eat. Now I'll be making oxtail, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is my beautiful oxtail, already seasoned and marinating for I seasoned this yesterday, so I've been marinating it overnight, and this is how it looks, guys. I like to put some fresh onion and garlic onto it before I put it in a pot. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do it today. All right, so we're gonna just give it a mix just to combine everything together. All right, so we're ready to cook this baby up. Normally oxtail takes a long time to cook, maybe an hour or an hour and a half, it all depends. So let's see, we're gonna go ahead and put this baby in the pot now. First, we're gonna add some oil, not too much. The pot is hot, so we're just gonna add them in. All right, and then once you mix it up like this, I'm just gonna cover it for a while. Now this is after about 15 minutes. I did not add any water in it as yet. Just want to show you guys how it looks. This takes a really long time to cook, so it's good when you have enough water, not like too much water to overpower the flavor, but you're gonna add a little bit of water in it just to like let it cover the meat. If you want, you could use a pressure cooker. People might use pressure cooker, but I like to cook it like this, so all the flavors, I get to cook out all the flavors. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water. That amount of water is perfect. So I'm just gonna give it a little stir and a little stir, and then I'll just cover it up. This has been cooking for 35 minutes now. I didn't add any water from the last time, but I will add some more right now. The oxtail isn't cooked yet because it's still hard. As you can see, it's still hard, it's not cooked. So we're gonna just stir this a moment, and we're gonna cover it up. In this pot, I'm just boiling the beans. I like to boil them separate, so after it's boiled, then I'll add it to the oxtail. If you don't want to use any beans, it's fine, but it's better with the beans, trust me. But if you don't want to boil them from scratch, if you don't want to buy like raw beans and boil them from scratch, you can always buy the one in the can, because they have beans in the can. So, oh, also when you're boiling the beans, don't boil them until it's soft, like very soft, because you're still gonna add it to the oxtail. So you want to like semi cook them, and then you add it to the oxtail after. So you don't let it boil all the way out in this pot. You're gonna let it finish the cooking process with the oxtail. All right, so this has been cooking for about 1.5 hours now. It's already cooked technically, but it's already cooked, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to it. Let it stay maybe like another 20 minutes, and then in the meantime, I will prepare my vegetables to put inside. Oh, and also the beans, I already boiled the beans, and this is how it looks. So yeah, guys, remember, oxtail takes a really long time to cook. So if you want, you can put this in the pressure cooker. If you don't have time, if you don't want to stay the whole time to cook it, you can always put it in the pressure cooker. All right, guys, so this is after 20 more minutes, It has been cooking. I like the way it looks. It looks tender. It starts falling off the bone. Let me show you guys. So yeah, this is how it looks, and what I'm gonna do now is just to add the vegetables and the bean in there. The vegetables that I'll be adding is bell pepper, tomatoes, carrot, and potatoes. Now normally we would use green bell pepper or sweet pepper, what you guys want to call it. Normally we would use green, but really I don't have any green pepper, so I'm just gonna work with what I have. So we're adding in the veggies. We're gonna give that a little stir. So that's how it looks. Guys, at this point it will require some water, so you have to add water to it so the vegetables can cook. You know, the beans are already cooked, but the vegetables need water so they can simmer. And yeah, so that's how it looks. Oh, before I forget, I will add a little bit of ketchup to this. Then we give it a little stir. Alright, we're gonna cover this baby up and let it simmer until the vegetables are done cooking. This is how the oxtail looks, and it is done. Guys, the total cook time for this is 2 hours. Like, this has been cooking for 2 hours straight. This is look at this. You can see the tender juice. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, the sauce is nice. The vegetables are well cooked. This is so tender. You can see the tenderness. Like, oh my, I can't wait to dig in. Look at that. This is so nice. Look at the steam coming off. So guys, I serve my dinner with vegetables. Now you can serve this oxtail with almost anything you want. You can eat it with rice and peas. You can eat it with white rice, seasoned rice. You can even eat it with dumplings and bananas. Anything you want to eat it with. You can eat it with vegetables like I'm doing. This is so perfect. I love how it looks. It's so tender. I want you guys to see something. Let me show you something. Look at the tenderness. You see that? You see that, baby? You see that? You don't even have to do much. I'm gonna taste this. Oh my. Oh my, you know what? I'm just gonna end this video and I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Hey, that was so wonderful, right? Oh my, it's so delicious and the sauce is so perfect. So please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Whenever you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.